Hello, Dodia teachers. It's Ryan Timmons once again from the Dana Center, and I have another math fix for you. Very excited to share it with you this month. We had some great feedback and comments on our other ones, and I think y'all will really like this brand new math fix.
Today's math fix centers around 4.OA.3, solving multi-step word problems and representing the unknown with a variable. While this unit also focuses on multiplicative compare, this math fix is not going to. This math fix is all about understanding a multi-step word problem and showing your understanding by justifying the correct representation. In this task, students will gauge the reasonableness of both representations and come to justify the correctness of one. Students will first struggle to see the multi-stepness of the problem. Many will see 17 trays multiply 15 cookies in each tray. After that, it gets difficult. After seeing the 17 trays of 15 cookies on each tray, many students will see give away 3 and gave away 27 and think subtract. This is the exact misconception we want to highlight. You may have students that struggle to see this subtraction in the two equation representations, so be on the lookout for -3 and -27 somewhere on their paper as they try to justify one of the representations as correct. Be sure to have a student share who thinks you merely subtract 30 from the product of 17 and 15. Then have a student who shares which is correct, who sees the 17 times 15, but then sees that 3 cookies were taken from each tray. This student may still struggle with the representation of 17 times 15 minus 3, and that is okay. Seeing the correct multi-step nature of the problem is most important. You can help them link to the correct representation if needed. To recap, Tarek's equation is the correct one. Again, students may struggle with the 15 minus 3 portion, but if they understand that 3 cookies are being taken away from each tray, you can get them there. Try asking, so if 3 cookies are being taken from each tray, that's 3 cookies times 17 trays. We could subtract after we multiply the 17 times 15, but if we know it's not really 15 cookies because 3 are being given away per tray, is there another way we can represent that in our equation? Students should eventually reason that Tarek is correct because his equation appropriately takes 3 cookies from each tray, and David's representation just removes 3 cookies in general.
That's it. That's our latest math fix. I hope you enjoyed it. Please let me know how you and your students are interacting with it by giving us a comment or a like or two below, and we'll continue to do some excellent work in your communities of practice.